Hi everybody, it's Lori Wetzel here with the next installment of Tech Tip Tuesdays. And today's tech tip is going to focus on an app that is also available online as a Web 2.0 tool, and it is called Popplet. The students have Popplet Lite, or could have at the secondary level, Popplet Lite on their iPads. And the major difference with Popplet Lite is, number one, it's the free version. And because it's the free version, you are limited to creating just one Popplet at a time. And because the Popplets can be exported to other sources, it's really not much of a limitation to be able to do just one at a time. One of the first things you're able to do if you want to change the name of your Popplet, all you have to do is click on the name of it, and you can adjust the title as necessary. So this will allow the students to personalize their Popplets. And this is a great tool to be used for brainstorming, concept maps, vocabulary, those kinds of applications in the classroom. So to create a Popplet, all I do is double click on my main screen, and here's my Popplet. I have the ability to delete the Popplet by clicking on the X. I have the ability to resize the Popplet by using that resize arrow in the bottom right hand corner. I have the ability to change the color of my Popplet. I also have the ability, and this is the one you'll probably use most, to type in the Popplet. So I clicked on my T tool. You have different alignments available, and I'm just going to put a bunch of garbage in there just to demonstrate putting the text in is pretty simple. You also have the ability to draw in the Popplets, and that's just by selecting the color of your pen tool and drawing right in there. You also have the interesting ability, and I am going to go ahead and move this Popplet and resize it and double click and create a new Popplet. I have the ability to insert images. I can take a photo directly, or I can open my photo roll as long as it has access to it, and I can insert a picture. So if, for instance, I want to insert this picture, I can rotate it, and now this picture is inserted into my Popplet. So as you can see, it's a really versatile tool for showcasing ideas. In order to make it be more of a concept map, all you have to do is use these little circles on either side to connect the ideas to one another, to show relationships between ideas. If you want to select multiple Popplets at a time, you can tap one Popplet with 2 fingers and your other Popplet with 2 fingers, and then it's almost like they're grouped and moving around. You've selected multiple at a time. You also have the option to select all your Popplets at one time if you wish. You have the option, right now, all of these Popples are editable. You have the option by clicking on it and clicking on this lock to turn off the editing feature. So as you can see, it's a really simple tool for having kids organize their ideas and showcasing what they know, doing their brainstorming, if they're trying to write a 5-paragraph essay or whatever the case may be. Now let's take it a step farther. You have this export button here. And within the export feature, you have the option to email your Popplet as a PDF. You have the option to email the Popplet as a JPEG. Or you have the option to save the JPEG, and the beauty of this is it goes right to your photo library. So now it can be imported into other things easily, even movies or slideshows. The online version of Popplet does have a few more features, such as being able to share Popplets among multiple users, so you may want to check that out if that sounds like something interesting to you. Otherwise, I hope you found this resource useful. I hope you see a use for it in your classroom with your students on your iPad. You know where to find me if you have any questions. Have a great day.